Yeah, man. Vietnam has been such a vibe. Vietnam has been such a vibe. A gentleman told me something I'm definitely going to take from here. He was from Vietnam, and I said, well, what do you like the most about your country? He said, there's no strangers here, just friends and family that you haven't got a chance to get acquainted with yet, and that's beautiful. That's a beautiful way to see it and to experience life. And to be honest with you, that's all I've experienced since I've been here. People treating me like family or a friend that they just been waiting to see. So, yeah, man. I'm telling you, man, life is so much different in Southeast Asia.